Explanation.
Welcome back to
Introduction.
my YouTube channel.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to make your own YouTube banner by only using Canva. Trust me, it's easy. Remember to subscribe and let's get started. This is what a YouTube banner is. First, you're gonna want to go in Canva. Click Templates, then the search bar. Search YouTube banner. This will be where we find our base of our style for our YouTube banner. Click blank YouTube banner. Now go on to Google, Safari, or any search engine and search YouTube banner template free. Click anything that looks similar to this. Perfect. Now download it. Now go back to Canva and click Uploads. Now click Upload Files and select the image from before. Resize it to fit the entire square. After that, this is an important tip. When you click on the image, you'll see a small icon that looks like a crop icon. You'll click on that and crop the gray background parts until you only are left with the rectangle, as you can see.